new fiber laser, right? This is a 30-watt Gweike, can't really pronounce that. And it is going to be lasering a load of things like PCBs and whatnot for me, right? But however, the problem is it makes a lot of mess, a lot of fumes come out of it. It's not good for you, right? So then I bought this thing, which is an air purifier, extractor, whatnot, that's going under the desk and coming out here. Problem is, even though it's the same company that made this hose here does not fit nicely underneath the laser guard, right? So now I need some sort of adapter that can go under there. So I'm just going to design one and 3D print one really fast. That's what this video is about.
A few moments later.
This is the design I came up with in Autodesk Fusion. It's a pretty simple design, really. This is the circular piece here, is 100mm across, and will basically, the hose will connect to this part. It's all going to be push fit essentially, so it should just hold on to itself. It's dimensionally accurate enough that it should just push straight into the hose and sit there. And then this hose connector push fits into this channel I've created here on the second piece, and that sits, if we can take a look at this piece here, that sits on the desk like this. So all of the fumes, etc., all get pulled through the channel there, and then they go up through into the hose and into the air purifier. And that's it. All right, after designing the parts, I'm now printing them. So this is going to connect to the actual hose, and then basically the hose is going to clamp around that part. This is now printing the other piece, which is going to kind of be like the flat piece at the end. This is going to take almost 11 hours to print. So we'll come back when it's done. And there's the finished product. See the little support struts for holding the thing in place while it's printing in midair. And then here is the hose connector already finished printing. So let's see if it all fits together. All right, I've cleared it up and removed the support material. So that's what it looks like. And it's going to be sitting like this, and it's going to fit underneath there as a suction. And it does look indeed like the hose and the connector are correctly sized. So let me just put the camera down and let's do this. Let's test it out. All right, so now we've got the hose, connector, and everything sorted. You can see from the back how that's connected up. We could probably use a metal clamp or something to hold it in place, but it isn't coming off easily. So let's give this a whirl. To give you an idea of how that came out, here is the finished product next to the actual like fully assembled version of this PCB as well. And just look at that, it's absolutely beautiful. The laser accuracy is insane. If I hold that up against the one that the factory created for me. So that's that little blue connector down there, for instance. So yeah, amazing stuff.